Kindle publishing is one of the most powerful ways to build a long-term digital asset and makes the entire process more accessible than ever. You don't need to be a professional writer or have a background in publishing to get started. AI can help you outline your book, draft chapters, refine your tone, and prepare your manuscript for Kindle. In this episode, I'll walk you through the exact workflow I use to create nonfiction books efficiently and ethically. This isn't about letting AI write a book for you. It's about using AI to support your ideas and to accelerate your progress. If you've ever dreamed of becoming an author, this is your moment. Let's break down how to publish your first Kindle book step by step. Kindle publishing works because Amazon handles the hardest parts for you: distribution, delivery, and global reach. A book instantly positions you as an authority in your niche, even if you're just getting started. Nonfiction books, especially practical guides, continue to sell year after year. AI helps you write faster without sacrificing quality or authenticity. You can publish multiple books over time and build a portfolio of digital assets. Each book becomes a small income stream that grows as your audience grows. And the best part is that KDP is completely free to use. Choosing the right topic is the foundation of a successful Kindle book. AI can help you transform niche ideas based on your experience, interests, or audience needs. You can validate demand by searching Amazon for similar books and checking their rankings. Look for gaps, topics that people are searching for but aren't well covered. Choose a subject you can speak about naturally, even if you're not an expert. Avoid overly broad topics. Focused guides perform better. Starting with a short, practical book helps you build momentum quickly. Outlining is where AI shines because it helps you organize your ideas into a clear, logical structure. You can ask AI to generate several outline options based on your topic. Then you can mix and match the best parts to create a structure that fits your voice. Add your own insights, stories, or examples to personalize the outline. Keep chapters short and focused so readers can move through the book easily. A strong outline makes writing faster and more enjoyable. Once your outline is set, you have a roadmap for the entire book. AI can help you draft chapters quickly, but your voice is what makes the book meaningful. Start by feeding AI your outline and asking it to expand each section. Then add your own stories, examples, and explanations to make the content feel human. Keep your tone consistent throughout the book. Avoid letting AI write entire chapters without your input. Readers can tell. Focus on clarity, usefulness, and practical value. For your first book, aim for a short, consistent, focused guide around 8 to 12,000 words. Editing is where your book becomes truly yours. AI can help you tighten sentences, fix grammar, and improve clarity. But you should still read each chapter aloud to make sure it sounds natural. Remove repetitive phrases or overly formal language. Add transitions to keep the flow smooth from chapter to chapter. Always fact check AI generated content to ensure accuracy. By the end of the stage, you should have a clean, polished draft ready for formatting. Your cover is one of the most important parts of your book because it determines whether people click. AI can help you brainstorm visual concepts and color palettes. Then you can use Canva to design a clean professional cover. Avoid cluttered visuals. Simplicity sells better. Use bold typography and make sure your title is readable even at small sizes. KDP has specific cover dimensions, so export your design in the correct format. A strong cover can dramatically improve your book's performance. Formatting used to be one of the hardest parts of publishing, but Kindle Create makes it simple. You can import your manuscript and apply consistent formatting with just a few clicks. Add headings, subheadings, and page breaks to keep everything clean. Make sure your spacing is consistent throughout the book. Add a clickable table of contents so readers can navigate easily. Export your final file as a KPF, which is the format Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, prefers. Always preview your book on multiple devices before printing. Publishing on KDP is straightforward once your files are ready. Create your KDP account and upload your manuscript and cover. Choose keywords and categories that match your topic. Set your price based on similar books in your niche. You can publish worldwide with a single click. Amazon usually reviews and approves books within 72 hours. Once it's live, your book is available to millions of readers instantly. KDP gives you two royalty options, 35% or 70%. To qualify for the 70% rate, your book must be priced between $2.99 and $9.99. Lower prices can increase sales volume, while higher prices can increase perceived value. Experiment with pricing to see what works best for your niche. You can also enroll your book in Kindle Unlimited for additional income. Track your sales data to understand what resonates with readers. Pricing is flexible, so adjust as needed. Promotion is where your book gains momentum. Use your blog and YouTube channel to introduce your book to your audience. Share your book on social media and use AI to help you write captions and promotional posts. Build an email list so you can notify readers about new releases. Ask readers for honest reviews. They help tremendously. Create short video teasers to share on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Consistent promotion keeps your book visible and selling. The best time to start your first Kindle book is right now. Choose a topic you feel confident writing about. Generate an outline with AI and draft your first chapter. Edit and refine your writing so it reflects your voice. Design a clean, simple cover that stands out. Format your manuscript and prepare it for KDP. You can publish your first book this month, and that's how your author journey begins. Thanks so much for watching today's episode. If this helped you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next tutorial. Give the video a like. It really helps more creators discover this content. And share it with anyone who's ready to build smarter income streams with AI. And if you want to go deeper, check out my book, AI Side Hustles. It's packed with step by step strategies and real examples to help you launch your first AI powered project. You'll find the link right below this video. Thanks again for being here. Let's keep building your future, one smart hustle at a time.